Hey guys, let's go ahead and unbox the stereo system. So here it is, first thing, fully wrapped and safe. The Hieha car stereo doubled in. So opening up the box, we have the connection wires that go in the back of your actual electronic system behind your DIN board. Pulling it out. These are more connectivity wires for the electronics, and these wires for the electronics, I believe, are the audio and video ports. You have these here for extra paneling, just in case the size of this isn't exactly to your vehicle. You can adjust the size. And here's the beautiful device herself. Awesome. So it's going to be touchscreen, where you have your volume control, the on and the manual, and a USB just in case you want to stream a movie and mirror it through a USB port, which no one really does anymore, but that's fine. And then here's all your electronic backings, where you see you would connect these wires here to the electronics of your car, and these would be like more of the wirings to power it. And yeah, it's really nice condition and really easy setup. I still recommend getting it set up by a professional, but the manufacturer went ahead and put on a really beneficial video you should check out to install yourself. And yeah, here she is.